Hey everyone, it's your girl Sathi. So today we're going to create this Patrick Starrr inspired look. We're actually going to use some MAC eyeshadows and some Jaclyn Hill, things like that, but we're not actually going to use the actual Patrick Starrr collection. So for those of you who don't have it or want some simple alternatives to the colors that were used, then here's a look for you. So I hope you guys enjoy. Alright, so let's get into it. So to start off, we're going to use our MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pot, and we're going to use this Zoeva Conceal and Buffer brush to put that all over our lid. Okay, so once we place that down, because the colors are super bright and they're not really actual skin tones, we're gonna go in with a white base on top. The reason why I use this is that the white base that I use, which is the NYX eyeshadow base, it tends to crease a little bit, so this will help it prevent it from actually creasing and just help those colors pop more on the actual eye. So using the same Zoeva concealer brush, we're just going to dip this into the eyeshadow base and put this all over our lid. We're mainly keeping this just on the eyelid, going into our crease a little bit. And I almost forgot, we're going to put down a little bit of Scotch tape. Taking this MAC matte eyeshadow in the color Passionate, and we're taking another Zoeva small taper blending brush, and we're just gonna dip into that a little bit. We're gonna start above our natural crease. So my natural crease is all the way down here, but when I open my eyes, you can't really see anything. So I'm gonna go above that so that when we open our eyes, we can actually see some color. So here we go. And this is gonna look super messy at first. Now, some people like to set their eyeshadow base with translucent powder or neutral eyeshadow, but I like to go straight in because I want the best color payoff as possible. So I'm gonna keep dipping in until I get the color that I want and building up that color. Okay, so for our next color, I've been a part of the beauty community for about 8 years professionally, but if you are an OG makeup artist or a person that got into this way back in the day, then you would have been a part of the 120 eyeshadow palette phase, and I still have mine and it works. I'm gonna go in with my 120 palette, and I'm going in with this color right here, and that's gonna act as our second transition color in our crease. So I'm using a taper blending brush, something a little bit more dome shaped than the other one because I really want to get this in our crease. So going right underneath that pink and blending that out. And then going back in with my Passionate and blending out that purple a little bit. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with the same brush but with a deeper purple color, and it's the one right above it, so this one here, and we're gonna go do the exact same thing but just slightly lower than where we placed the other purple. And then I'm gonna go in with my blending brush that still has that pink color on it and just blend that out. So now you see when I close my eye, everything's blended. Okay, so now for the fun bit, we're gonna go in with our Jaclyn Hill palette, and we're gonna go in with the color what the heck is this color called? Twerk. So we're gonna go with Twerk, and we're gonna wet our brush a little bit. I'm just gonna wet it using some MAC Fix Plus, and then we're gonna place this all over our lid. And I want to bring this color right into our crease. Okay, so my camera just died and I don't really know where I left off. So anyway, I'm just going to go back in with this purple color and blend out that blue a little bit. Okay, and with an even smaller taper brush, this one's from Bedelium Tools. It doesn't actually have a number 781. So we're gonna go in with an even deeper purple, the one right above it, and place that right in that crease again to further blend out that blue. Going back in with our fluffy brush and blending that out. And we're gonna take the tiniest bit of burnt orange from the Modern Renaissance palette and place that right where that pink ends. With the tiniest bit, we're gonna put this right on our brow bone as a highlight. Okay, and then we're gonna take off the tape, and I'm going to put on some liner. I'm actually going to use my Inglot black gel eyeliner first, and then put this NYX liquid liner on top and put on some lashes, and I'll be right back. It takes too much damn concentration to do this on camera, so maybe next time when I get a little bit better. I'll be right back. Okay, so here's the look with lashes, and holy crap, what a difference freaking lashes make. Oh. Alright, so now that I have on my base foundation, and today I just used the Tarte ShapeTape foundation in Tan Honey, and for my highlights, let's be consistent and we'll use the Tarte ShapeTape in medium. I'm just going to use a concealer buffing brush. And if y'all seen my last video, let's try not to recreate this same damn mistake. So I'm gonna have to put down like a sticky note to make sure that I get this shit together. Now that that's laid down, we're gonna set it immediately. And I got this new setting powder, and it's by myself. Let's try it. It's brand new, and it kind of has this. It's just the translucent one. It has no color, and it has this like pink undertone. It has this pink undertone to it. So kind of like the Patrick Starrr one, and from what I heard, I don't have it yet. So let's see how this goes on. Go in with this and place it down. See what happens. Not horrible. We'll have to see how this wears throughout the day. So for contour, I normally go in with the LA Girl Pro HD, but for today I'm just going to go with a powder contour, and for that I always like to use MAC Blunt, and I like to use this flat top brush by Zoeva. It's freaking stained, I need to wash my shit. We'll go in with just I like to keep the contour tool like in this area closest to my hairline, and then I'll go in with a little blush or something to warm it up a little more. And for y'all who are probably like, yo, check this chick's sideburns. I know, I've lived with it my whole life. Every brown girl's freaking problem. But I'm not sure if I want to take the leap and go do laser. Waxing is a hell no for me. And threading and all of that too, because that shit makes you break out, and I ain't about. I'd rather live with my sideburns than freaking have active breakouts, because that shit ain't cute. At least with my sideburns, I just cover it in my hair. Should we do it? Should we use it? Maybe we should. Alright, let's do it. Like this dual fiber brush. And it's so pretty, like I don't want to use it. But let's see if it lives up to the hype. Y'all see it? Alright, let's spray our face with some Fix Plus first and see if we can get this highlight to pop a little more. It looks nice, it looks really nice, but we want it like blinging. Okay, ready? There we go. So it definitely works better on a tacky or wet face. Yeah, girl. Like, it lives up to the hype. It does. It does. Okay, so let's do the lips. I have no idea what color I want to use it. Oh shit, see? Almost forgot again. Alright, let's fix up that under eye, and let's not F up again. Okay, so I'm just gonna go in with Twerk again under our eye. And further blend it out with Passionate. Okay, and what are we going to use for an inner highlight? Why don't we go in with our go-to, my go-to. Let's brighten up this inner corner. Yeah, that's my jam. Okay, so to finish off this look, we're gonna use like a purpley pink color on the lips. And this one is by Jordana, and it's called Sugared Plum. And then this one by Sasha Cosmetics is called Forever Young. And I'm gonna top that off with this Essence lip gloss in Sparkling Papaya. Okay, so I'll be right back. Okay, so got the lips on. Time to let this hair down. And try to make this look fierce. So if you guys like this look, please let me know, give me a thumbs up, and hit the subscribe button. And hopefully new videos will be coming out soon. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. And one love, guys. Love y'all. What do I do next? Like, I'm so scared to use this. It's so freaking pretty. Let me just open it. Let me just open it. Like, wow. I don't know if y'all can see, but these gray hairs came out to friggin' play today. Like, the F. Where's my brush? Okay, this is super weird. Like, I feel like who am I even talking to right now? Myself. I feel kind of crazy. This is super weird. I don't know. Is this therapeutic? Kind of is, but also kind of weird because ain't nobody responding back, and I feel like legit I should be in a room, like, you know, talking to myself is weird.